Please welcome Larry Ellison.
Thank you very much. Well, we're here today. Next slide, please. I already know who I am. We're here today to announce a computer that's come out of a long-standing partnership with Sun Computer. For a long time, we've been working with Sun, and this is the latest output of that partnership. Oracle Exadata version 2, hardware by Sun and software by Oracle. It is the first database machine that does online transaction processing. All the other machines, Teradata, Netezza, etc., are designed just for data warehousing. Oracle Exadata version 1 was designed just for data warehousing. This is the first time a machine, a database machine, has ever been able to do both data warehousing and online transaction processing. Next slide. Version 1 wasn't a bad effort. It was the fastest database machine in the world. It was designed to do what you have to do for data warehousing, which is to do sequential I/Os very, very fast. Read huge amounts of data, execute complex queries, and return the data very quickly, return the answers to those queries very, very quickly. And we were much faster, or Exadata version 1 was much faster than Oracle on any other kind of computer. 10 times faster, 50 times faster than running an Oracle data warehouse on a conventional machine. That's Exadata version 1. Next slide. Don't take my word for it. Ask Exadata version 1 customers. Allegro, a query that took 24 hours now ran in less than 30 minutes. Now that's extreme performance. MTEL, every query was faster, between 10 times faster and as much as 72 times faster with that particular customer. Next customer, a query that used to take 30 minutes down to less than 1 minute. So again, performance with Exadata version 1, 10 to 50 times faster than Oracle running a data warehouse on a conventional computer. So what did we do for Exadata version 2? Next slide. It's still, by the way, the fastest machine in the world for data warehousing. That's the third bullet point. In fact, it's twice as fast as Exadata version 1 for data warehousing. But that's not the most interesting thing. The most interesting thing is it runs online transaction processing, something Netezza just can't do at all, something Teradata just can't do at all. And there are a lot of interesting new specialized data warehousing software startups that just can't do online transaction processing, but we can do both. And we do both very well. We are still the fastest machine in the world for data warehousing, but now we're also by far the fastest machine in the world for online transaction processing, because we've optimized random I/O. We can do random I/O very quickly. In fact, you'll see a single rack, this one little Exadata machine right here, hardware by Sun, software by Oracle, can do over 1 million random I/Os in a second. Next slide, please. Everything's faster about the Exadata version 2. Everything's bigger about Exadata version 2. The CPUs are faster, the network is faster, the disks are larger and faster, and most importantly, we have a huge, smart flash cache built into our storage servers. Now, these are not flash disks. Don't make no mistake. These are not flash disks. This is a memory hierarchy made up of DRAM in our database servers and flash in our storage servers with very sophisticated algorithms, not simply LRU. We know if we're doing a sequential scan, we don't blow out the cache. So this is a very smart memory hierarchy where the Oracle software, again, manages that memory extremely efficiently. Completely different than flash disk. Much faster. The CPUs are almost twice as fast. The networking is twice as fast. The disk's throughput is up by 50%. The memory is 3 times faster. The capacity of disks, if you're using the SATA disk, has gone from 1 terabyte to 2 terabytes. We've more than doubled the memory, and we've more than doubled external connectivity through Ethernet. Next slide, please. I'm repeating myself, and I can do that a lot this afternoon. It is the first database machine for OLTP and the fastest computer of any kind for OLTP. It is the fastest computer of any kind for data warehousing. It delivers not only the highest performance, but also the best cost performance in both data warehousing and OLTP. And by the way, if you're going to run big mission-critical applications on this, it's good to know that it is completely fault tolerant. If a network component should fail, it just keeps running. Everything's redundant. If a storage server should fail, it just keeps running. The data is mirrored across storage servers. If a compute server should fail, it just keeps running. We have plenty of extra. So it's a fault-tolerant machine, completely redundant. And the interesting thing about the architecture is if you need more capacity, just plug in another storage server.